Hey there everyone, Quantum here. We will set up a smart launcher and Nova launcher with a dark vibrant theme. Let's set up the smart launcher first. Install the following apps. All of the links is in the description below. Open Smart Launcher and set it as your default launcher. Open the launcher settings and go to Backup. You must download the backup file first before restoring it. Choose the backup that you download from description. It must be on your download folder. After that, click the blank widget and choose Blended Widget Pack. Find the widget named 0016. Then go to Layer and increase its size. You can add more apps in your home screen. Easy, right? Before we proceed to Nova Launcher setup, make sure to consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Install these apps first before the setting up. Open Nova Launcher and go to Launcher Settings. Go to Backup and Restore. Click Restore Backup. You can also download the backup file in the description. Click the first blank widget at the top. Select Mini ISM Widget Pack and choose the widget named Minimal 150. Don't forget to click Save. Now click the second blank widget. Choose Mini Music Player widget and find the widget named Mini Music 089. Resize it like this. After that, add your apps to home screen. You can choose another widget for your home screen. There are many widgets to choose from this widget pack, and you can match it with other icon pack. Creativity is the key, right? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.